Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this SUPGALY mini hairdryer may look little and cute, but let me tell you, it can pack a punch. Hotel hairdryers have absolutely nothing on this one. There's no comparison. I travel often and I love taking this hairdryer with me. For its small size, I am super impressed at how effective it is. It dries at a really high speed and gets my hair completely dry within less than 5 minutes. I am thrilled at how compact this hairdryer is, since I used to hate having to take my full-size hairdryer with me. The petite size means that it packs in my luggage really neatly and snugly. Despite being scaled down, I find that it has all of the features of a full-size hairdryer that we all know and love. Something which I absolutely love is that it comes with a wall-mounted magnetic hanger. This is so convenient and space-saving, and it means that this hairdryer is easy for me to access where and when I need it. The controls on it are really simple to use and minimal. There's a single button, which is really easy for me to toggle through the different heat settings. Because of this little hairdryer, I never have to suffer a bad hair day while traveling ever again. But that's just my point of view.